Hey, what's up guys? Company from Amazon, wholesaler, contacted me the other day about doing a review on their motion solar LED light, and I just happen to need a type of light like that for the side entrance on the house. So I agreed and picked one up, and we're going to do a little review on it. So let's see what comes in the box. There it is. Here are the lights. There's the motion sensor. This is the top, and this has the solar panel which recharges the battery. I guess it attaches to the wall here. Let's see. Yeah, that's the bracket, attaches to the wall, and you could fit it on like that. Apparently it's got several LED lights. This main light supposedly acts as a very low all the time light that's on all the time when it gets dark, and then once the motion detector detects motion, these, I would say, walkway lights or spread lights illuminate brighter than this light. Okay, so now before we install the light, we're going to turn on the light, and of course it comes with mounting screws, mounting hardware to attach the light. Also comes with this wheel of the key. If you can see, it has a pointy stick. This turns on the light. If you look over here by the sensor, there's a little tiny hole right there. Apparently you're supposed to put the key in and press. Ooh, it's pretty bright. So that's on. So this is where I plan to mount the light. We gotta mount it on that post, and that's where the garbage cans are on the side of the house, and I have a little wooden pathway to the back of the house. I think it right here will get some sun, and it'll light up the area for the garbage cans and to start the walkway. So let's see how that goes.